In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and identify your shop URL on Big Cartel. Whether you're just starting out or you've been running your shop for a while, knowing how to quickly access your shop URL is essential for managing your online store efficiently. This URL is a vital piece of information because it's what you'll share with your customers so they can visit your shop, explore your products, and make purchases. Let's begin by navigating to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your main hub, where you can manage everything related to your store, from products to orders. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu bar running across the top. This is where you will find various options related to your account and store settings. Your next step will be to locate the Account section. Look towards the top of your dashboard. There's a tab labeled Account. This is your go-to section for personal settings and shop information. Clicking on Account will redirect you to a page filled with various settings and details pertinent to your store. Now that you're on the Account page, let's focus on finding your shop URL. On this page, you should see a section labeled Shop Information or Shop Details. This is likely where you'll find your shop details laid out. In this section, look specifically for Shop URL. This is what we are interested in finding today. Next to your shop URL entry, you'll notice a small lock icon. This icon indicates that the URL is secure and exclusive to your shop. As an example, if your shop URL is thegoodytem.bigcartel.com, this unique identifier is how customers will find you online. It's important to remember this URL as you'll use it in many aspects of operating and marketing your store. Today, my purpose was to guide you in finding your shop URL swiftly. Now you can easily locate and use your URL to promote your store, link to your products on social media, or even integrate it into marketing campaigns. I hope this walkthrough eases any difficulties you might have faced regarding this task. Knowing this seemingly small yet crucial piece of information will help boost your confidence in managing your Big Cartel shop effectively. Thank you for tuning in today, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your online